Yo, what's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? Ooh, how is everybody doing today? Getting closer and closer to those levels, guys. Closer and closer to those levels. Bitcoin got as low as 81,660 bucks. I like it. I like it. Let's keep going, man. Let's get this flush over with. Absolutely. Absolutely. I got to put some buy alerts over on the Patreon there shortly too. I did a little bit of buying this morning. I'll let you guys know what I picked up. Nothing new, no big surprises. If you're over on the Patreon, you know what I've been accumulating, but still make sure that you guys know, right? What do we got? Super chat, Strawberry Dragon. All you can eat crypto buffet. So many selections. Don't get overstuffed. Exactly. Exactly, guys. I'm saving a little bit of dry powder here because I do believe we have further down to go. I know there's a lot of people who don't think we have as far to go. Everyone wants to say we've bottomed because they want the market to go up. But at the end of the day, guys, this isn't about hopes and dreams and what we want. This is about playing the charts for what they are. This is about playing the macroeconomic scenario for what it is. So that's why we've been calling for a 69 to 74K Bitcoin for almost 2 months now, right? And listen, I've had a lot of people take temper tantrums out on me in the comment section of videos and stuff like that because they simply at the end of the day are emotional and they don't want it to happen, but it's happening, right? It's happening. You can either be ready for it and take advantage of it or not, or you can be emotional and angry and frustrated. And you know, if some people put all the energy that they put into being negative and toxic and all that stuff, if they put that energy into preparing for these moves so that they can take advantage of them, they'd be millionaires already. 100%. Gamma Goddess, there she is. Hope all is well. Rob, I sent you a DM on Patreon. Also, thank you for all you do. Let's buy the fire sale and get this. Yes, absolutely. I have right now, guys, because I put out the list for the April one-on-one bookings, the one-on-one coaching calls. I have a bunch of people responding. I have 90 DMs that I have to go through this morning. So definitely be patient with me on that. I will be going through those today after I do the one-on-ones. So over the next couple days, guys, if you're over on the Patreon and you're booking a one-on-one for April, you will get a DM from me in the next couple of days, but I've got 90 DMs to go through, so just bear with me, right? So yes, absolutely. But yes, Gamma Goddess, I'm hoping you responded to the message I sent you there last night. J Money, Bulbasaur in the house, almost called you Squirtle. Thankful for everything you do. Hey, thank you guys. Thank you guys. You know, you always show up. You always show up, guys. You guys are absolutely phenomenal. Thank you for being there for me. I know that I'm there for you guys, and it's awesome that you guys are there for me as well, right? I really, really greatly appreciate it. Okay, let's get into the chat a little bit. Danny, what's up, buddy? It looks like you have most people waiting to watch on X than on YouTube right now. Yeah, how many? Well, I have. How many people are watching on YouTube right now? 78 on YouTube, and on X there are 166. Yeah. Yes, more people watch me on X, which sucks a little bit because I mean X is not monetized or anything, but I am trying to grow the X page out, so I greatly appreciate those people for following along over on X as well. Absolutely. Big Botto, what's up, buddy? Thanks for keeping us sane and ready for these dips, bro. The normies are freaking out, but we were ready to deploy that dry powder. The Patreon is worth it. Yes. And that's exactly it. That's the difference right there. Thank you, Big Botto, for pointing that out. That's a fundamental difference in times like this, right? If you're part of our Patreon community, you have been fully prepared for this for a month and a half now. You've been ready for this dip. In fact, you're ready for a dip between 69 and 74K, right? So when I go over on X right now, exactly, there's panic, there's all kinds of misinformation going around and stuff. But over here, everyone's cool, calm, and collected because everything's going according to plan, right? So it's absolutely beautiful. Shane, go! Mexican soccer announcer voice. Nice, brother. Go! I can't do it. I can't do it. I don't have the voice for it, man. I don't have the voice of an angel. Wow, we reached our goal already in Super Chats, guys. That's phenomenal. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing, man. Holy crap. Holy crap. All right, where were we here? J Money. Bulbasaur, what's up, fam? Quentin's in the house. What's going on, buddy? Shannon, what's up, man? So hard. Wait till prices go lower. Some fire sales right now. Panic sold everything. I don't believe you. Hey, weirdos, everyone's dipping their toes. Thank you, Rob, for the fresh alpha on Zebek. Hey, absolutely, guys. I take great pride in knowing that, you know, if I had not told you guys that this was going to happen, a lot of you guys would have burned up your dry powder like 4 weeks ago at higher prices, and you wouldn't be taking advantage of these prices now. So I'm absolutely so excited for you guys. I am so excited for you guys to be able to do that. Bruno, what's up, buddy? You have no idea how much we appreciate you being here, even when views are low and other YouTubers hiding in their caves. Hey, absolutely, man. I know a lot of YouTubers, they only come out when things are good, when things are looking great, and euphoria is everywhere. Then they come out and, you know, they're like, yeah, look at me, pew, 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 pew. But no, man, when you guys, I find, you know, when the market is down and everything's, you know, getting beat up, that's when the community needs to come together the most, not the least, right? So absolutely, absolutely, man. Got your back, Jack. Thank you for the latest alpha on Zebek. Yeah, I did a video, a little bit of an update on Zebek this morning. Paul, my guy, good to see you, buddy. Good to see you. Jess in the house. My husband asked if I knew why the crypto market was down. I just laughed and said, we've been waiting for this for a while now. So keep up, man. Come on. Overcome. What's up, buddy? Guys, as always, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow. Doesn't cost you nothing. But yeah, I mean, it's, you know, it's something really, really nice for somebody else. You know, doesn't cost you anything. So go ahead and check out that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join the community. Also, guys, real quick, what you have on your screen right now, they're the sponsor of the channel, Decent Self-Custody Wallet, guys. Not your keys, not your coins. Don't leave your crypto on exchanges or hot wallets like Coinbase Wallet. If you get hacked, there is no recourse for you. No one's going to reimburse you. Put your crypto on your self-custody wallets. You guys do what you got to do. Not financial advice, but I'm telling you right now, I would never leave my crypto exposed for hackers to come along and scoop it up. Nothing. Imagine this if you would. Imagine making life-changing wealth. Imagine making high six figures or low seven-figure portfolio that you've never seen before in your life, only to wake up one day to find somebody hacked you and drained your wallet. Could you imagine how your heart would sink through your butthole, right? So get yourself a self-custody wallet, guys, so you cannot be hacked. Use our link down below. Jared, feels incredible to be using a bit of the dry powder right now. Congratulations to everyone who followed Rob's leadership. Glory is just around the corner, peeps. Absolutely. Rob, are you worried about XCN? If it drops that much, it could drop to 205. What's your target to remain the same? Yeah, no, I'm not worried. Robin, we've been talking about this for almost 2 months now, that Bitcoin was coming down between 69 and 74K, and that altcoins were going to drop even more than Bitcoin, right? This isn't, why would I be worried if I've been saying that this is going to happen for almost 2 months, right? It doesn't make any sense for me to be worried. This is, as far as I'm concerned, everything's playing out according to plan that we've been talking about for 2 months over here, right? Amazing coins for you. What's going on? William's in the house. What's up? What's up? Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, absolutely, guys. Jake the Snake, 10-year rate starts to dip, and now Powell is dovish. Funny how that worked. H. Barbarina in the house. Got myself more Miria and Moonwell. Prices are hard to dismiss. Oh, yeah, I feel you, man. DCA is the way of the future Jedi. There you go, Padawan. Parallel Life, hey, Rob, crazies. Hey, crypto crazies. More Moonwell today. Trying not to buy. It's not working. Divine Vibes. Didn't see the live until I clicked on the channel. Just hit that like. Nice. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it seems to be getting a little tiny bit fractionally better in terms of the suppression, but still largely suppressed though. Still largely suppressed. But we will continue to power through. We'll power through the suppression, the what do you call it? The shadow banning or whatever the heck they call it. We will continue to persevere through it, and we'll come out the other side. So, yeah. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing on a string, right? Big Botto, good morning, y'all. Juicy prices today. Let's go. LL, so many deals. Had to get bigger bags. There you go. Oh, Taku, my guy. Everybody needs to take an orange pill and relax. Go to it. Makes you want to go do it. Absolutely, man. Yeah, let's move to the Bitcoin chart here. See what's going on. Yeah. Dip down just below that yellow line. We got to get below there and start closing daily candles there. Be interesting to see where this daily candle closes, and will we start a new one tonight and break down below? I wouldn't be shocked to see that, guys. It is the weekend, low volume. Maybe we see a little bit more dump action here through this next daily candle. We'll see. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Enzo. What's up, Enzo? Nice to see all these discounted prices everywhere. Hell yeah, man. I'm more euphoric now than I was in January with XCN and Swift going parabolic. Yes, absolutely, man. Absolutely. House, we're almost at the Jasmine XCN level of 205. Not much longer. Good DCA opportunities, man. Anything below a penny is a good opportunity. Shane, what's up, man? Good to see you, buddy. King DJ, need more Zbic, baby. Absolutely. Lily, what's going on? Studio Tech in the house. Focus. Just buy low and sell high. If it's lower, buy. If it's not higher, buy. If you're crying, buy. Unless you're chatter, then sell. Rob, if we don't go down faster, I'm taking it out on you. I know it's just dragging out, right? It really is. Let's just get it over with. Studio Tech, we're ready to take advantage of the dip. Come in. He said we have temper tantrums. Jesus is king. Yes, he is. Absolutely. Rob always said during accumulation, you think it's hard. Imagine six-figure gains diminishing and holding through it. Yes, exactly. Big Watch Dude, where you been, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Another local, just DCA, one toe on XCN, waiting for the live clock countdown. Yo Mars, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Fams, just smash the like button. Costs you nothing. Yes, absolutely, guys. Absolutely. David, watching over on X. Endless opportunities. Absolutely, man. I'm honestly nervous being down 30K now on Jasmine and XCN. I have my last 5K to put in, but not sure if I'm sure to do it. Can't keep losing money. Wish I got into crypto last year. House, what I would say to you, brother, is that if you haven't sold, you haven't lost any money at all, man. Here's the thing a lot of people need to understand, okay? If you don't want the volatility to the downside, you don't deserve the volatility to the upside, right? There is absolutely zero volatility to the upside. These parabolic runs that we have would not be possible if we didn't have these downtimes, right? So if you cannot hold through those downtimes, why do you think that it's not just going to be parabolic forever all the time, right? You got to take the crookeds with the straights, guys, right? You have to be able to handle and buy those lows if you want to be rich at those highs. It's really that simple, right? What's our best DCA opportunity? For me, like I said, guys, I'm just continuing to DCA. Right now, I'm just DCAing little tiny bits because I do believe we're going lower, but I'm putting in minor DCAs because, nothing is 100%. And if for some, on the off chance that we're bottoming right now, I don't want to say that I missed the bottom completely, right? So it's the best of both worlds to just minor DCAs, and then, if we do dump down between 69 and 74K, that's when I'll start to go heavy. I'll open the floodgates on the dry powder. Stargazer bought my decent wallet a week ago. Nice. There you go. I sold some XRP at $2.47 to rebuy at $2.05. Missed filling by a penny. Should I just rebuy now or wait? What is XRP right now? What is XRP right now? It is $2.12. Honestly, man, Spencer, I believe that we have further down to go. I mean, maybe scratch the itch and DCA a little tiny bit or something to get an entry point. But if Bitcoin goes down to 69 to 74K, you're probably going to see about $1.90 for XRP, right? So take that for what it's worth. Alfonso, hey Rob, what do you think of Digibyte ticker? I hold a little bit of Digibyte. Yeah, I mean, I'm neutral on it. I mean, it's okay. I like it. I'm not like mega ultra bullish on it or anything. I just hold a moderate bag of it. Thank you, Rob, for calling this dip top-notch researcher. Hey, absolutely. That the hardest parts about one of the hardest parts about what I do, calling pumps is easy, right? Because everyone's happy when you call a pump. When you call a dump, everyone hates you. You should see the hate comments I get in the comment section, stuff like that, because I've been telling you guys for a month and a half that this dip was going to come, right? The attacks. Oh, you don't know what you're talking about. You don't know, man. You don't know. We've already bottomed. All kinds of stuff, right? And it's all based on emotion. So it doesn't, like, at the end of the day, I'll be your punching bag. You can take it out on me, but like I'm not bearish. People think I'm being bearish. I'm not bearish. In fact, when I see opportunity for a dip like that, it makes me bullish because I get to buy so much more, right? So, I mean, I'm not bearish, but I get attacked a lot. Whenever you call the bottoms, I guess it just comes with the territory. Some people are emotional, and when you say something that they don't want to hear, they lash out, right? I guess, and that's just the way it's comes with the territory, I suppose. Big Paul too. How you doing, Rob? What's your price prediction for Zebek Nadix? I could see 3 to 5 cents. 3 to 5 cents conservatively. Overcome. Buying Jasmine through the Binance FUD. Thanks for the effort you put in to keep us informed on things, man. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. And here's the thing too, guys, is that I don't know if you guys saw, but Hara actually addressed the Binance situation last night. I covered it. And the good news in all of that is that Hara said that he now has answers as to what exactly the problem is and why Binance is in the monitoring zone. And he also stated that there is something he can do about it, and he's already started taking action to do that. So maybe we get Binance removed from the Jasmine removed from the Binance monitoring zone in the first week of July, maybe. I don't know, right? We have a light at the end of the tunnel anyway, so that's positive, right? Romeo, been away for a while and happy to be back, focusing on building that dry powder. Looking forward to our one-on-one in April. Nice. There you go, brother. There you go. Beebs, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Let's see what happens to Libertarian Day. Yeah, I see. Listen, there's something that really perturbs me about that whole thing. The whole like April 2nd day. there's like this narrative going around that the US is some sort of victim financially, and that the rest of the world has been taking advantage of the poor, innocent United States of America as a country. Do you guys really want to be seen as a victim by the rest of the world? Um, by no means has the US been any sort of victim. There are some countries who have ridiculous tariffs on the US, like China, for example. I believe that there's like 100% tariff on everything that comes out of China to the US. Clearly, that's absurd. Clearly, right? But for Mr. T to be acting like the entire world has been taking advantage of the United States like a girl at a frat party is absolutely absurd, right? And to be perfectly honest with you, all of these other countries are trying to come to the negotiating table to find a fair resolve. And Mr. T is actually the one who's not trying to find a fair resolve. What he's trying to do is he's trying to eliminate income tax in the US by making other countries pay higher tariffs to compensate for the lack of income that comes in from the income tax, right? That's what he's trying to do. He's trying to get other countries to pay your income tax, and it's not going to happen. You think China and Russia are going to pay your taxes for you? They're not, right? It's absurd. So just my thoughts on it. And I know that there's this narrative going around about it being like, finally the US is going to be treated fairly. It's, come on, you're not you're not a frat girl, or you're not a girl at a frat party. Like, no one's running a train on the United States of America financially, right? But I don't know. If I was I'm not American, so I don't have, but if I was, I wouldn't want to be viewed as a victim to the rest of the world, right? I don't know. Stay with the plan, amigos. Community is inspiring. Thank you all. Absolutely. So, Flo Rick in the house. What's up, Leo? What's up, my guy? Z Brown, how far are we going down in Jasmine? My average is 2 cents 3.5, so down over 50%. Do you think? Yeah, I do think we go down around there. 2 cents, 208, 207, maybe 2075. Something like that is possible. It's possible. My husband just asked me when he can retire. Hopefully by the end of this year. Do you think we still wait until June for rate cuts? Yes, I do. Notifications are terrible on this app. Yes, I know. Mario, 50 push-ups. Let's go. Craig, I'm just lowering my Arrow average every week now. It's the only crypto I'm down on. There you go. Nice. You got some good entry points in, man. Beebs, I want ZBEC in the 208 range. Pretty please. Nice. Facts. Only rate cuts can save this falling knife now. Personally, I'm expecting alts to bleed much further because there's absolutely little to no volume. Yes, I agree, Facts. I agree. I think April, I've been talking about this, April's going to be a down month, guys, right? I've showed it to you guys over on the versus the M2 money supply. It dictates that April should be a fairly red month down. Bitcoin's going to go down further. Like I said, 69 to 74K, which means altcoins are going to bleed even more than that, which is fine. Like, listen, even if you don't have dry powder, guys, you're going to have about 5, maybe 6 weeks of opportunity to dollar cost average. So if you can't pick up extra hours or find an extra job in 6 weeks, you're not trying hard enough, especially if you're watching Netflix or something. Right? And even if, worst case scenario, you can't come up with any dry powder and you're fully deployed, you're all in the market, sometimes the best move is no move. Sometimes the best move is putting your portfolio away for the month of April. Don't even look at it for the whole month. There's lots of stuff you could do. Go to the gym, touch grass, right? Spring is getting ready to sprung. Spring is going to spring. It's coming, okay? So find something else to do. Put your portfolio away and stop looking at it, right? Miria at 2079. Yes. Charmander present. Finally, we got Charmander. Man, I can't tell you how many days in the last 2 weeks we've had Squirtle, Bulbasaur, and Pikachu, but no Charmander. Where have you been? What's up, Robin team? Did some DCAing this morning? Nice. Will's going to be scooping up XEN, has a $10 potential in the next few. Yeah, in the next few cycles. I agree. Sorry, I got the hiccups. Jazz is going to be ridiculous. That's going to go through the roof. Yep. Any thoughts on Lucid Auto? The car sells for $100,000, and he said he's getting a Tesla. Owners coming over at $2.50 seems like a steal. Would be a long-term hold. I'd have to look more into it to know more details. Rob, people hate hearing the truth, but people like us want to keep hearing them, so you can start taking advantage of it. Yeah, exactly, right? Exactly. And I'll never stop just, spilling the truth. Hara should list with Sun and Banana Guy. I'm holding in Heaven Soul. There you go. William, I picked up 30,000 pith today. Nice. That's awesome, William. Seems like some others are pulling the strings. Yes, Alberta, number 51, 51st state. Joy, hey Rob, happy Saturday. Hello, crypto future family. Rob, I sent you a DM on the Patreon. Yes, we love having you there, Joy. We love having you there. Like I said, guys, I have about 91 DMs now I got to go through this morning to get the one-on-ones booked in. So, guys, if you want to get over to the Patreon, if you want to book a one-on-one coaching call with me, get over there soon. I will be booking all of my April one-on-ones coming up over today and tomorrow. So get over there, get your spot booked in before there are no more spots available. It's extremely valuable, man. If you're new to crypto, if you feel like maybe you're over diversified or you're holding the wrong projects, or you've been holding something since the last bull run and you're down on it, and you want to maximize your portfolio and stuff, guys, get over to the Patreon. Let's get a one-on-one coaching call booked in with me here, and we'll sit down together in private. We'll have a conversation. We'll look at your portfolio. We'll make sure you're pointed in the right direction to maximize your profits in this bull run, right? Mr. Johnny, what's up? What's up? Ceiling fan, man, being down 50% sucks without ever profiting in crypto. You will. SEI, Jasmine, and get Miria. There you go. This might be a loaded question. However, if Mr. T didn't implement tariffs, where could you see the Bitcoin's price today? I understand the Fed. Well, it's funny you ask that, Beeps, because in a roundabout answer, I was looking into it, and the M2 money supply started really pumping to the upside the day that Mr. T was inaugurated. Do you think that's a coincidence? Interesting stuff. Charmander, this market scared me away. Earth Prospecting, what's up, man? How much ZBEC should I hold? I have 1 million for now. I mean, honestly, 1 million ZBEC is good, but you know what's better than 1 million ZBEC? 5 million ZBEC, right? Not financial advice, but I'm just putting that out there, putting that into the universe. All right, let's see what's going on. We're all caught up in the chat. We haven't covered any news yet, so let's cover it. Federal Reserve considers rate cuts for 2025. Mary Daly, president of the Federal Reserve Bank of San Francisco, indicated on March 29th, 2025, the possibility of 2 rate cuts in 2025. This statement was made during the Jinshi reported interview facilitated by Chain Catcher News. The prospect of rate cuts suggests potential changes in monetary policy that may influence investors in cryptocurrency, a sector often impacted by interest rate fluctuations. Mary Daly's statement regarding possible rate cuts in 2025 signaled the Federal Reserve's possible shift towards a more accommodative monetary stance. The idea behind such a move is to potentially foster economic growth by encouraging borrowing and spending activities. Lower interest rates could make riskier asset classes including cryptocurrencies, more appealing for investors. This is due to decreased returns from traditional savings investments, which typically result in a shift towards higher yield alternatives. Did you know in previous rate cut cycles, Bitcoin saw notable price increases driven by increased appetite for riskier investments? BTC stands at 82,300 right now, illustrating volatility with the 24-hour change of minus 2.05%, according to CoinMarketCap. CoinsQ research team highlights potential outcomes from the Federal Reserve's projected actions. Financial markets could see increased volatility, which often leads to increased cryptocurrency trading activities. Monetary policy shifts, particularly those involving interest rates, have historically redirected investor focus towards alternative assets. With Bitcoin and Ethereum seeing significant activity as a result, exploring topics like the tokenization of assets can provide deeper insights into the dynamics. Yes, very, very interesting. Very good. You like it. You like it. Yeah, but the Fed can't control all. China's going to start buying crypto soon. Yes, I agree. I agree, Alfonso, 100%. They have been printing, they've started stimulating their economy regardless, right? So, WF Capital is 43.5 million ZBIC enough? 43.5 million ZBIC is good. But you know what's better? 45.5 million ZBIC. Just saying. Hey, everybody. What's up, Jovan? Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you, man. All right. What else do we have? Check this out. We're having a good time this morning. We're having a good time. All right. So potential Bitcoin price fall to 65K irrelevant since central bank liquidity is coming. Bitcoin's 7% decline saw the price drop from $88,000 on March 26th to $82,000 on March 29th, and led to 158 million in long liquidations. This drop was particularly concerning for bulls, as gold surged to a record high at the same time, undermining Bitcoin's digital gold narrative. However, many experts argue that Bitcoin's rally is imminent as multiple governments take steps to avert an economic crisis. The ongoing global trade war and spending cuts by the US government are considered temporary setbacks. An apparent silver lining is an expectation that additional liquidity is expected to flow into the markets, which could boost risk on assets. Analysts believe Bitcoin is well positioned to benefit from this broader macroeconomic shift. Take, for example, I'm not even going to try to read that dude's name, an ex-social platform user who argued that tax cuts and lower interest rates are necessary to kickstart the economy, particularly since the previous year's growth was propped up by the government spending, which proved unsustainable. The less favorable macroeconomic environment pushed gold to record highs of $3,087. On March 28th, while the US dollar weakened against the basket of foreign currencies, with the DXY index dropping to 104 from 107.4 a month earlier. Additionally, the $93 million in net outflows from spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds on March 28th further weighted on sentiment. As traders acknowledged that even institutional investors are susceptible to selling amid rising recession risks. The market currently assigns a 50% probability to the US Federal Reserve will cut rates to 4% or lower by July 30th, up from 46%. I think they meant 4.6% a month earlier, according to CME FedWatch tool. The crypto market is presently in a withdrawal phase, according to Alexandre REFERRAL, whatever. Hip Hop Anonymous. The founding partner of B2V Crypto. Hip Hop Anonymous noted that recent major announcements, such as the U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve executive order, marks progress in the metric that matters the most: adoption. Hip Hop Anonymous said real-world asset tokenization is a promising trend, but he believes its impact remains limited. BlackRock's billion-dollar BIDL fund is a step forward, but it's insignificant compared to the $100 trillion bond market. Experienced traders view a 10% stock market correction as routine. However, some anticipate a decline in policy uncertainty by early April, which would reduce the likelihood of a recession or bear market. Warren Pies, founder of 3F Research, expects the U.S. administration to soften its stance on tariffs, which could stabilize investor sentiment. This shift may help the S&P 500 stay above its March 13th low of 5,505. However, market volatility remains a factor as economic conditions evolve. For some, the fact that gold decoupled from the stock market while Bitcoin succumbed to extreme fear is evidence that the digital gold thesis was flawed. However, more experienced investors, including Hip Hop Anonymous, argue that Bitcoin's weak performance reflects its early stage adoption rather than a failure of its fundamental qualities. Analysts view the recent Bitcoin correction as a reaction to recession fears and the temporary tariff war. However, they expect these factors to trigger expansionist measures from central banks, ultimately creating a favorable environment for risk on assets, including Bitcoin. So there you go. There you go, guys. Big things popping, little things stopping. Chappie, where have you been? The dip strings, but then I DCA and I feel better. Did I say strings? Stings. I got 1.3 million ZBIC. When is it getting to $1? Probably 2029. Is 300,000 XRP enough? It is. However, you know what I'm going to say, right? 400,000 is better, right? Son of a bee. 43.5 million ZBIC. I was happy with 10 million. I'm a small fry. You got to pump those numbers up, Beeps. Listening to your last video, and ZBIC mentioned they're focusing on the next 3 to 6 months, which aligns with the awaited crypto blow off top. There you go, brother. There you go. Ken and Lisa, unfortunately, I'm going to have to cancel this afternoon's one-on-one. We got snow in Calgary, and I'm pretty tied up. Hey, no problem, man. I know I was, yeah, I'll put you on the April list. There's no problem, Ken. I put my back out yesterday because it snowed in our driveway there, and I shoveled it. I was like, I'm going to shovel the driveway while my wife is out. I'm going to be that guy, and she's going to come home to a nice shovel driveway, and I put my back out. And it was great. But I finished the driveway, right? So anyway, good things. Good things coming, guys. You'll love to see it. So yeah, I'm going to do some more buying this afternoon. But anyway, guys, I have to get over to the Patreon. I got a bunch of one-on-one coaching calls I got to take care of. Get over there, guys. Get your one-on-one coaching calls booked in. Like I said before, if you are new to crypto, guys, if you feel like maybe you are over-diversified or you don't know if you're holding the right projects to maximize your potential ROI, get over to the Patreon, guys. Book your one-on-one coaching call with me. I sit down with you one-on-one privately. We can go over your portfolio. We can answer all of your questions about crypto, help you understand this market completely so that you know what you're doing, right? Don't try to just blindly navigate your way through this space. That's how people lose money. Let's get you pointed in the right direction. Let's get your portfolio ready to go for maximum ROI. You have a little bit of time here, so let's use it wisely. I also have my top picks over there as well, guys. Get over there, check out my picks. We made a 3,000% return on XCN, man, and we're just getting started. Just the other month, we helped 28 people over on the Patreon hit 7-digit portfolios, and we want to keep that streak alive. So let's go, man. get over to the Patreon. The link is down below. It's in the pinned comments. It's in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I will see you guys in the next one. Actually, I'm going to answer Junior's question before I go. Hey, Rob, I got XRP at 20 cents. Was thinking to sell and get ZBEC. Not a bad move, man. No one ever went broke making a move like that, brother. You got into XRP at 20 cents. Yeah, you were up very, very bigly, brother. Personally, it is a move I would probably make, if I'm being honest with you. So, yes. All right. I will see you guys. I got to go get these one-on-one coaching calls out of the way. Check it out, guys. Get your spot booked in. I'll see you guys later.